Hey friends, if you wish to manage app execution aliases on Windows, then please watch this video. Now, aliases are the names, those, what do we say, unique names that apps use when you are trying to access them through command prompt. For example, for Notepad, it's notepad.exe. For Word, Microsoft Word, it's winword.exe, and so on. So here's what you have to do. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the apps tab on the list on the left hand side and select advanced apps in the right pane. Select app execution aliases and you will find all these apps here. Okay, you can turn them on or off depending upon whether you want it or not, and the aliases are mentioned here. For example, for Microsoft Teams, it's ms-teams.exe. By default, these are on, and you know what, I prefer to keep them on to avoid conflict with the multiple software products. Like for example, what if there is some other software which has a similar alias and it causes conflict, so I just keep them on, but you can choose your thing accordingly. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.